Hi, and thanks for your interest in the Countdown plugin. So let's dive in and take a look how this plugin works. As you can see here, I've already installed and activated the plugin. Now, if I go to any page or post, and I will now see a new button called Insert Countdown Timer. Before I insert, let me place my cursor in a spot where I want the countdown to appear, and then I'm going to click that button. So the countdown has two methods, whether it's counting down by date or counting as a timer. So very quickly, let me show you how it works as a timer. Let's say I want to count down 30 minutes from the time the page loads, and I insert. Now I have a shortcut in there, and it's update. And let's take a look at the page. So now it's counting down 30 minutes from the time this page loads. But you can see it's because of the page width, and we have all these weeks, days, hours that are not relevant to this particular countdown. I can actually change it as well. So let's go and edit that page and remove that. And let's start over and say let's timer again 30 minutes. But this time I want to hide days, and I want to omit weeks, and also I want to hide hours because they are irrelevant for this particular countdown. And I'm going to click insert, and all the shortcode coding will be automatically be inserted for you. Now let's go ahead and update that, and let's review the page. And now we have the countdown counting down 30 minutes from here, and it will definitely fit in this page as well. Okay, supposing you want to count down to a particular date or time, and this time I'll just leave that date as date. So let's count down to New Year's. You can use this calendar to help you. So let's select December 31st, and maybe we'll put 23 hours. Let's see, 8. Okay, that's close enough for now. And then I'm going to click done, and then it will automatically insert all the values for me in these fields. Then let's take a look at the options. For right now, I'm going to leave omit weeks alone, and you will see how that works. And I do want to show a message when it counts down, and I want to remove the countdown. And these, obviously, I want them to be there because it's going to be it's going to be relevant. And I'm going to click insert and update it. And as I view page, they will tell me it's 6 weeks, 4 days, 12 hours, 12 minutes, and 18 seconds according to my time to New Year's. If I don't want to show in weeks, let me go ahead and do that. Keep it. I'm going to omit weeks, and then again, I'm going to choose New Year's. Done, and insert, update. And now when you view page, you see the weeks are gone, but it shows in terms of days instead of 6 weeks and 6 days, I think. So now it's 46 days and 12 hours. All right, let's look at the other options like themes. If we go to settings and SPP countdown, I can actually choose a theme. I have a light theme. If I just save my changes and view this page, I will have this. It just gives it a nice little background look to it. I will also have a dark color theme where I refresh, and will show that. And any of these themes I can also change the digit color, but it works best with none or light. So let's take a look at digit color. Supposing I want to change it to a red color, and I want a frame, maybe like a really light, that, and I want a label to be, let's say, blue, just for the sake of this. And let's refresh this page, and now I have the counter changed completely. Now, of course, I can also change it to a light theme, and it will work that way too. So now if you're savvy with CSS, you can also enter your own custom CSS in here and save your changes, and it will reflect up on this page. You can also display a message after the countdown has ended. And this time I want to show a message when it ends, and I can remove the counter when it ends as well. And I'm going to click insert. Now the message, I will enter it between these two shortcode opening and closing tags. And you can enter any kind of text in here. You can do links or you can even add an image. So let's go ahead and add an image here. And I'm going to make this image be centered and insert in here. So this would really make sense if you're counting down to a particular date and say, after this date, I'm not giving you a bonus anymore. And now let's take a look at this page. And there it is. The counter goes away and your message appears after the date has come and gone. So Maria, I hope you like what you see.